Hey guys, welcome back. This is my trade recap for today, trading micro S&P futures. I unfortunately did get stopped out today. However, I want to talk about um, just my reason for entry, um, kind of some technical errors that definitely could have been prevented today, and yeah, just kind of what's next. I want to go through just talk about my entry and compared to past videos. This is, or compared to other trades, I should say, not my most proud entry. I simply entered today based off of an hourly sweep on liquidity. Hold on. So we had hourly liquidity that was up here. So yeah, this is my entry for today. We took out hourly liquidity. We tapped kind of like right into our equilibrium, and I felt that that was good enough to take a short position, target some downside 15-minute low draws on liquidity. We also have these lines down here. These are hourly draws. So yeah, unfortunately, price did not um, do that today. And I believe that there is one specific reason that it didn't do that. One of the lines that I forgot to chart out this morning before I entered my trade was this line right here. I'm gonna just draw real quick. So this line represents our 4-hour liquidity. This area. This we'll call it a line. We'll say area too. This area represents 4-hour liquidity. If you don't know what liquidity in the market is, liquidity is essentially where you will have stop orders placed, you will have take profit orders placed, you'll have limit buy orders, limit sell orders, whatever the case is. There's a lot of volume down here regarding orders um and whatnot. This is one of those lines that is very that I trade off of. And I did not mark it out. I did not have it on my chart this morning because I did not look farther back. I can guarantee you that today's trading video, this trade recap, would have been a completely different video if I drew this line out for the following reason. And I'll go through because today was one of those like trades that probably I could have used every single one of my confluences that I liked to enter, right? Um Not every single one, but all right. So I think we got the idea with like liquidity there. I'm gonna get rid of that. Market opens, so we take it out like super pre-market, tap in one more time, third time, fourth time, and why not a fifth and final time when market opens up? 7:30, come back in right to this order block here. We can look. This is this is an order block, so this is where orders get filled after a sweep on liquidity. Um, this whole area is basically like we're loading up on orders to kind of go the other way. At least that's like that could be a good way to think about it. So we had this confluence. Okay, I don't start trading till 9 o'clock, so I would have missed the order block entry. My time to start trading is right here. No biggie. If we look at the 15-minute, so we have a blue candle up, black candle down. This is a new high. We failed to break above that, but we break above here with this. Um, I want to see if there is any other confluences. Nothing on the 30-minute, which is unfortunate. I would have loved to see something on the 30-minute. Um, anyway, high time frame sweep on liquidity, and I'm waiting for a break of structure to the upside. This does not provide an optimal entry up here, in my opinion. I think that we could look for. I don't think this is an optimal entry. I think we could look to try and get in at some kind of equilibrium, or another one of my favorite confluences for value gaps. If you see right here on the 15-minute, nice large imbalance of price action between buyers and sellers. Um, I would have loved this trade. I would have loved to enter in right off of this fair value gap, and 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 follow to the upside. Enter right in off of the 15-minute fair value gap, stops right below here, and first take profit would have been these 15-minute highs up here. TP1 would have hit. Second ones would have been hourly liquidity up here, would have hit. And then I think there was some level of like 15-minute liquidity up here that would have hit as well. So yeah, super nice trade, super nice like setup probability. I just unfortunately missed a very important confluence, which is liquidity. Liquidity is so important in the market. That's the biggest thing that I'm looking for. Is I'm looking for a high time frame sweep on liquidity. That's exactly what I did in my trade yesterday. If you didn't watch, go check that recap out. I damn near caught the bottom of this whole extension up. Um, cut myself short at around here. Final take profit was set, I think, right here, and I took profits early. I talked a little bit more about that in that video, so go check it out. I'm not going to re-explain it, but yeah, I think today would have been a completely different day with that in mind. Um, markets are going to be open tomorrow, so I will most likely be trading. Like I said, those high time frame sweeps on liquidity are super important, and that is something that I'm definitely going to be checking out. There's something that I know that I should be checking out before I enter any trades. So um, let me So this is a very key thing. And when I open my computer, I don't have any of the overnight liquidity marked out, and that is something that hasn't bit me in the butt yet, but it did today, and I learned the hard way. So yeah, looking forward to the next trade. Like I said, I hope this was. I tried to keep this pretty quick. Um, leave a comment, like. Let me know if there's like any type of videos that you'd be interested in seeing me do. If you watch my channel, if you don't, it's okay. Um, yeah, I'm thinking maybe like uploading a few like videos going over my confluences and how I trade, basically. Pretty simple stuff. Yes, it is just like lines on a chart, but there is a lot of there's a lot of power. Not a lot of power. I don't know how to say this, but there's a lot of you can be very resourceful when it comes to this stuff, and just very patient as well. Like I said, trading is a game of longevity, and you just got to enjoy the process. So we are 1-1 on the week, um, but no issue. Had a winning week last week, so yeah, just looking forward to it. Enjoying the process. That's it. I'll catch you guys on the next trade. Peace.